I'm paying attention.
Where you go, undercover? Trinitron9 heard you in the mix a minute ago. Where you go, undercover? Look at Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Island. Where you go, undercover? Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Island. Break, break, break.
No, don't get that 5-9 chrono or 2-3. You only own Nitro.
Hey, undercover Trinitron9, trying to put it in your ear hole. Hey, undercover Trinitron9, Coney Island, trying to put it in your ear hole. Hello, undercover Trinitron9, Coney Island, getting down.
But you couldn't hear my radio. 281. I tried to call your name a while ago, but you did not hear my radio. Hello, T at 281. You got to cover it. I ain't no city slicker. I want a bottle side of Illinois. Nightcrawler, 1400 got down and gone. Green machine brother.
Hey, undercover Trinitron9, trying to put it where you can get it, and I'm trying to get you to put it where I can get it. Hey, undercover Trinitron9, trying to put it where you can get it, and I want you to put it where I can get it. Hello, undercover Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand, Coney Island, standing by.
Hey, 333, all of them, not 1 or 2, but the whole damn crew. 333, 1400 standby. Well, right here, no diggity doubt about it. Trinitron9, hey, Trinitron, hey, little Roscoe, we ain't chilling.
Right back undercover, I heard you in between those keys when that smoke cleared. You said it's rough and tough. Hey, undercover, it's all good. Ain't no excuse on the bowl. I ain't gonna make no excuses. You ain't gonna make no excuses. We just gonna do what we do. Take your undercover, wave a hand to the lady. Hey, undercover, your friend in Coney Island, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread said bye, bye, bye.
Not 1 or 2, 1400 steps. The man with the cornbread. The man with a very big slug of cornbread got down in Long Island, New York. Put it on you later.
Put it on you later, put it on you later, put it on you later. You said you're going to sit back and read the mail? Hey, undercover, you said you're going to sit back and read the mail. I heard you. Take your undercover. The man with the cornbread, Trinitron9, Coney Island, said bye, bye, bye.
410, wow, them John boys, 333, 1400, bye, bye, bye. 98, I heard you, man, but on 999.
Trinitron9 still out in these deep waters. I'm still in the water with cornbread in my hand. Trinitron9 still out here with cornbread in my hand. Good morning, welcome to the week, and I'm still out here with a piece of cornbread. Trinitron9 walking and talking in these deep waters of Coney Island, getting down.
G.I. Joe, that's for show. 3 rounds in a row, G.I. Joe, bye, 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 hurrah!
Hey, G.I. Joe, you still in Coney Island? Hey, G.I. Joe, you still up in the deep waters of Coney Island? G.I. Joe, Trinitron9 still playing in the water. Break, break, break.
Y'all gonna make me bump down on my Y'all quit calling G.I. Joe 1400 by the creek. G.I. Joe is back out.
Brag out. Take here, G.I. Joe. Take here, 1400. Take here, G.I. Joe. Take here, 1400. Undercover, streetwalker, and all the good time gang. I'm just playing in the water, man. It's midnight in Coney Island, and I'm just playing in the water with a piece of cornbread. Trinitron9 said bye, bye, bye.
Every time you go down, you do the same thing. That was poppin'. It's all good in the hood. That's Radio 101, 333. Back on cover to and on the ass from my duck looking cornbread. Put it on your later, Trinitron9. G.I. Joe, I put it on.
Put it on you later, put it on you later, put it on you later. Hey, G.I. Joe, put it on you later. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 333, it's a left thing down here.
Trinitron9 said, I'm going to take a pause to the cause out here in Coney Island. I've been walking and talking in this water for the last half hour. I'm going to take a pause to the cause in Coney Island. I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread. I'm taking a pause for a cause out here in Coney Island. I'm going to eat another piece of cornbread. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread, said bye, bye, bye.
New Jersey, 281, 898. I'm gonna get out of there because I can't get what I was looking for. They call him Moose. I'm looking for him over here. Good morning, time to you, Lieutenant, the Stump Jumper, G.I. Joe, back out.
You tell Stump Jumper Trinitron9, say good morning. Tell my friend Stump Jumper Trinitron9, say good morning. Hey G.I. Joe, tell Stump Jumper I say good morning. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread. Good down.
Do a preacher key back up. Duck-ducking tulips, do your duck-ducking God, and I guarantee most told ya. Are you Stump Jumper? Have yourself a fine one? No, you doesn't worry about my talk, so you and your own I'm just Stump Jumper, around the garden, G.I. Joe, camouflage countries, clear and guard.
That Stump Jumper had that ear hole. I see that Stump Jumper had your ear hole. Hey G.I. Joe, I see that Stump Jumper got your ear hole. I'm trying to put some more cornbread in the water. Take care, G.I. Joe. Take care, G.I. Joe. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread, said bye, bye, bye.
Look, I can hear somebody white cloud. You are trying to push your bubble now. Because see, I'm just like you, and I'm not done too. Well, 14, you said 1400. Why you can't say white cloud? Hey, white cloud. Hey, white cloud, you can't up say 1400. Why you can't say white cloud?
I'm just trying to keep bread in the water. Hey G.I. Joe, I'm just trying to keep a little piece of cornbread in the water. Hey G.I. Joe, I'm just trying to keep a little piece of cornbread in the water. Hey G.I. Joe, Trinitron9, keeping cornbread in the water. Break, break, break.
Let them duck in and duck out. Let them duck in and duck out. Sorry, right, glad I got some of it. 333 keyed up talking to somebody. 333 keyed up cursing somebody out. Take that white cloud. I gotta get out of here.
It's rough out here in Coney Island, man. It's rough out here tonight, this morning in Coney Island. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, it's rough out here in Coney Island. Hello, it's rough in the deep waters, but I'm going to keep eating my cornbread. I ain't letting nobody take my cornbread. It's rough out here in Coney Island. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the weekend. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread, just got down.
Switchblade, we'll play. Good night. I can't make a bit chicken on me ever since July.
I ain't letting nobody take my cornbread. It might be rough and tough in the deep waters of Coney Island, but I ain't letting nobody take my cornbread. I'm holding on to this bread in my hand. I ain't letting nobody take my cornbread out of my hand. Trinitron9 Coney Island with the morning wave, morning weekend wave, morning weekend wave. The man with the cornbread just got down.
Good job, good job. Take care. 10-1400, I say good job also. I got to go. I promise you, I got to go. Nephew, love y'all. Switchblade, tell my brother son. I said, what's up? Switchblade, take up. Ducking out. Ducking in and